high accuracy, high quality, and high efficiency is the enterprise spirit upheld by Jinn Machine Industrial Company Limited since 1976. Jinn Machine Industrial Company Limited has been founded nearly 40 years. As a precision machine tool manufacturer, Jinn designs and manufactures a wide range of automatic lathes, CNC lathes, CNC machining centers, and special purpose machines. Based on the company philosophy of technological innovation and leadership, Jinn has obtained CE certificates, ISO certificates, and many international patents. In the course of seeking for sustainable operation and development, and has cooperated with the world's well-known enterprises in outstanding technologies and products, showing Jinn excellent quality and continuous innovation capability.
公司的经营理念以高品质、高精度、高效率、品质国际化、服务专业化、诚信负责、用心经营。公司只以永续经营的理念，经过多次国际石油金融危机及公司内部的调整与革新，以迎接未来的变迁与挑战，深耕台湾，布局全球。
The R&D team of Jinn Machine Industrial Company Limited enhances its technology through innovation and challenge, and uses CAD/CAM 3D to simulate design and develop products meeting market demands. By simulation of 2D to 3D solid model, we design equipment and peripherals for customer needs, and continue to develop and improve new equipment in order to extend the service life and convenience of machines. Precise spindle head efficiency is the core technology of products. Jinn Machine Industrial Company Limited adopts scraping technology from Japan and develops powerful spindle heads by itself. Its senior technicians with rich experience assemble machines in factory and fully carry out independent inspection and test in the product process. Finished products are inspected by projectors and 3D instruments in order to meet customer-required product standards. As a factory warranty, Jinn Machine Industrial Company Limited wants all its produced machines to meet international standards. Our complete line of products include 2-axle to 7-axle sliding head lathes, and each of our products is manufactured to the highest quality standard, providing the most competitive edge for part machining. We have various products, including Swiss-type sliding head CNC lathes, fixed head horizontal CNC lathes, economical CNC lathes, and auto lathes. The new JSL series of CNC lathes can be used for double spindle and double Y axle system, providing multiple functions and powerful machining capability. It uses the Fanuc numerical controller, and it is flexible for the operator due to movable and rotatable control panel. This type of machine has a high rigid structure. Its sleeve is made of high-quality cast iron, and the stress is eliminated, so the mechanical precision is stable, the rigidity is better, and the machinability is more stable. The motor of spindle and XYZ axis are using servo motor, so it does not need to carry out the zero return operation each time. The machining operation, the spindle and sub-spindle can work synchronously, drilling, milling, tapping, and more. The design of synchronous rotatable sleeve improves the machining stability and the machining surface fineness. Spindle and tooling system. 6-position outer diameter tool, 4-position inner diameter tool, and 5-position cross drilling tool. The tooling system of sub-spindle is for machining rear parts. This machine is made for precise machining of automobile and engine parts, electronic parts, precise instrument parts, medical device parts, and pneumatic and hydraulic parts. Our products have been successfully sold to dozens of countries in the world. We attend most international machine tool exhibitions to increase the opportunity of contacting customers directly and offer more rapid and convenient service for our customers. In line with the faith, based on Taiwan, focused on China, arranged globally, Jinn devotes to global development to create better competitiveness. Under the leadership of Chairman Huang, Jinn will grow more stable with continuous improvement and innovation. Also, Jinn provides reliable service, quality, products, technology, and a professional brand to customers in order to make Taiwan's machine tool industry to be a leader of the international market.